Hi everyone, this is Kalyan Kumar and welcome to another unboxing and review in Product Review. One of the biggest failures of Apple is AirPods, a wireless charging mat that was designed to charge up to 3 Qi devices such as an iPhone, AirPods and an Apple Watch simultaneously. It was announced on September 12, 2017 and cancelled on March 29, 2019. Since then, there have been a plethora of manufacturers who have been at it to bring about an alternative. I use the word alternative instead of substitute deliberately because none of these Qi chargers do what Apple's AirPods was supposed to do. And recently there have been reports that they are going to revive it again. In particular, devices would not need to be carefully aligned on the charging mat of AirPods due to the presence of over 20 charging coils which could charge a device regardless of its exact position. That means you could just simply throw all your iPhone, your AirPod and your Apple Watch irrespective of the position and all of them would charge at the same time. Now Apple's intention was that an iPhone being charged would display on its lock screen the charging percentage of other devices being charged, such as AirPods, which do not have a display. Other manufacturers are creating multiple wireless charging device options, and some are using a mix of wireless and wired charging, but in a single charging station. So what is the need of a wireless charging station? After all, don't they also need a wire? Well, yes, but a multi-device charging station definitely has its own uses. Nobody likes it when their workplace or nightstand is cluttered with messy wires. What if you can charge 3 devices with only one cable coming out of a charging station? What if you combine such a charging station with a USB hub to charge 3 more USB devices? In this device, I bring to you a 6-in-1 charging station from Ziku, a Chinese company. You can charge an iPhone wirelessly, while AirPods and Apple Watch need their own respective charging cables, but they would be well hidden inside the device so that only one wire comes out of the dock. Moreover, there are 3 additional USB Type A hub ports behind the device that help you charge other devices also. Watch to find out. Now before I begin, let me state this in the interest of full disclosure that I bought this product with my own funds and that it is not a review product. All the opinions you are about to hear are my own. No one is paying for this review and no one is reviewing this video before it is being uploaded. Secondly, if you wish to look at a specific aspect of the product, then I have put some timeline markers in the description below. If you are watching this on a computer, then directly click the timestamp and on a mobile device, drag the playhead to the approximate timestamp. So let's begin with the unboxing. The box doesn't have much written on it except for Made in China and the product picture. On taking the lid off, the first thing I notice is the Apple Watch charger holder. Next to come out is the manual for putting together the charging station. Now let's pick up the charging station. You can clearly make out the iPhone charging dock, the AirPod charging dock, and the Apple Watch station on a tower of sorts, made up of matte aluminium. Behind, you find the charging cable port and 3 USB charging hubs. Remember, these 3 USB hubs are available for charging in addition to charging the iPhone, Apple Watch and AirPods. This is the cable that powers the charging station. This packet has screwdriver and screws to cover the bottom part with a base plate. What a wonderful way of designing a device. Now, we will look at how to assemble this thing so that it can charge an iPhone, an Apple Watch and an AirPod at the same time with only one cable coming out of the charging station. At the outset, let me reiterate that the iPhone that this device will charge will be based on Qi charging. This means it will charge the iPhone based on inductive charging and not conductive charging. So you need to place the iPhone on the charging mat. The iPhones that are capable of charging wirelessly are the iPhone 8 that was released in 2017 up to the iPhone 11 Pro Max which was released in 2019. Since my daughter is more mechanically inclined than I am, I let her do the assembly. First, roll a lightning cable and insert it into the AirPod charging dock and make sure the jack is parallel to the longer part of the dock. Like this. Tie the extra cable length with the tying wires provided. Fit it into the cable compartment as tidily as possible. The USB part of the cable is inserted in one of the hidden inside USB ports. Now insert the magnetic watch charger by first putting the USB port down from the top of the charging tower. Take it out of the bottom and fit it into the other USB port that is inside. Now tie the extra length of the cable with the provided tying wires again and put it inside the tower dock. Now fit the rubber top on the tower, exposing the magnetic charger beneath. This may prove to be a little bit difficult and it took me a while to get this thing done, but with strong pressure it will fit in. Now place the base plate at the bottom and seal it with the providing screws with the help of the small screwdriver which is also provided. And now the charging station is ready. I'm placing an iPhone XR and you can see it charge. Then I place an iPhone XS and XS Max. You can place the iPhone either vertically or horizontally for charging. To charge the watch, place it properly on the watch charging tower. You might have to adjust it a bit if you don't notice any charging. To charge an AirPod, just place it on the docking station and it will fit in smoothly and the charging begins. As I mentioned earlier, there are 3 additional USB charging ports at the back, using which one can charge 3 more devices. The Ziku charging stand has a sleek design which will turn heads. You can charge your phone either horizontally or vertically on the wireless stand, so it's a great for streaming while you charge. The wireless phone charger can fast charge at 7.5 watts for iPhones or 10 watt for Android devices. This 6-in-1 charging station is durable, it's made up of high quality aluminum, and it's affordably priced at rupees $20 US only, which is about 1500 Indian currency. With that, we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and it helps you in understanding this charging station better before you invest on it. If you have any queries or comments, please drop them in the comment section below. If you like this video, please do hit the thumbs up button. Watch the other videos of this channel, and if you find them interesting and useful, consider subscribing. This is Kalyan Kumar signing off. Have a great and wonderful day. Stay inside, keep physical distancing. Goodbye, and thank you for watching this.